Creating a video on SEO tips is a fantastic idea. Here's a structured plan for your video. 1. Introduction. Start with a brief overview of what SEO, search engine optimization, is and why it's essential for websites. 2. Keyword research. Explain the importance of keyword research and how to find relevant keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs. 3. On-page optimization. Title tags. Discuss the significance of optimizing title tags for search engines and users. Meta descriptions. Explain how to write compelling meta descriptions to improve click-through rates. Header tags, H1, H2, etc. Discuss the hierarchy of header tags and how they impact SEO. Content optimization. Offer tips on optimizing content for both users and search engines, including keyword placement, readability, and relevance. 4. Technical SEO. Site structure. Talk about the importance of a clear site structure for search engines to crawl and index your pages effectively. Page speed. Explain how page speed affects SEO and provide tips for improving it, such as optimizing images and using caching. Mobile optimization. Discuss the significance of mobile-friendly websites in SEO and how to optimize for mobile devices. 5. Off-page optimization. Backlinks. Explain the importance of links for SEO and strategies for earning high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites. Social media. Discuss the role of social media in SEO and how to leverage social platforms to improve your website's visibility. 6. Analytics and monitoring. Google Analytics. Show how to track website performance using Google Analytics, including traffic sources, user behavior, and conversions. Google Search Console. Explain how to use Google Search Console to monitor website performance, indexation issues, and search queries. 7. Conclusion. Summarize the key SEO tips discussed in the video and encourage viewers to implement them on their websites for better search engine visibility. 8. Call to action. Invite viewers to subscribe to your channel or visit your website for more SEO tips and resources. Remember to keep the video engaging by using visuals, examples, and real-life case studies to illustrate your points.